Fans want to know if Shaneil Muir is pregnant.
They want to know if me I breathe. Let me check. Yes.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So Shaneil Muir was on her live, you know what I mean? She go live a lot, people. One of the most active artists this on Instagram, and you know what I mean? Her live them fun. You know, people always do that. She always a run song for the people, them and them thing they see me I say. So you can check it out if you know something where you know about. You see what me I say? So she up on live and you know the people them a question her and ask her say if she pregnant and thing. And I think it's because of this photograph that I'm about to show you. Right? I'm going to show you the photograph soon. But first, I just want to show you Shensia hairstyle. Shensia rock one hairstyle. I don't know what name. I don't know much about hairstyle, but I know I say this. I like it. You see me I say? So look on this real quick.
Love you.
Love you.
Ladies, if you don't know Shaniel hairstyle, button in the comment section. I don't know if I the Afro kinky or what it is. Hear me like me know what I talk about. But anyway, let's talk about Shaneil Muir now. So she actually went on her live and she addressed the pregnancy rumors. You see what I say? Because people I bring it up on the live. So I go show you the photograph meanwhile I talk to you. So it's up on the screen right now. I think it's because of this photograph. Now she went on the live and she had some things to say, right? So first let's hear what she have to say about the pregnancy thing. Here goes.
They want to know if me I breathe. Let me check. Yes.
You're pregnant for real, she's not pregnant, she breathe. You don't understand the difference, you breathe, you're not pregnant. Shaniel not pregnant, dog. Shaniel breathing. Mama more breathing. Short man tear sheet. So I'm have to rate this as somebody short man tear sheet with you, man. So they ain't going on.
There's a guano.
Too much
Yeah, people, so that's her and the producer Poppy Danny. So I say, you know, so then do music together, right? So I should mention though that Yamabella was trending, you know what I mean, like 3 days in a row. She posted that too, and she had said thank you, you know what I mean, it's a trend in Jamaica. So big up Shaneil on that, right? But people, you know what I mean, you know, she just a laugh off the rumors and thing, because I mean, I don't know though. I just a show no what go on still. Me not go say Ray or name. I can't say because I don't know either. You see what I say? But people attack and she address it. You see me? However, though she post some photo that day and she look normal to me. I'm showing them on the screen right now. You see me? But anyway, now there was another little thing that, you know, people, it's just that people are talk about her body and I say, Ray, she shape a certain type of way, and she also addressed that. So let's hear what she have to say about that. Here goes.
Breast, little belly. Yo, the people them beat and teach me today and them tell me say, oh, my shape bad. I shouldn't know some man living on my DM. Talk truth. Talk truth. You never did what you know.
You never come back for your life again,
Why? As well?
As well, like a mascot, yeah, girl.
So what?
This guy's name again?
I lie.
You lie.
I lie.
Shaniel always say smile and he smiles.
Say people them know me as guy what Shaniel tell smile and he smiles.
I told them no. I see them beat and teach me how I got big and how much I face alone I have. When I forget something, I have pum pum too and the very tight. I'm a man loving it. I'm not ask you. When you come from me now, when you feel me friend or not? Squeaky. I rubber ducky night when I ask you. Play with me now. Play with me. When you likes to come for me, when you feel me that's you know. When you feel me that's you know. When you very equipped with what stop it. Don't play.
I know, I telling the people, you know, that social media age where people they just type what they think, you know what I mean? Them just say anything will come to their mind because it's easy to type it, you know what I mean? But I always just say, you know, they will never say this to your face. People will just chat what they want online, but if them see out the road that them see them wanna go and like the biggest set of fans them. You see me? So I just saw it go. People always I go try to like get, you know, critique people personal life and how them look and them way there. You know, especially the celebrities them. And me personally can't judge somebody upon how them shape or how them look because I know that none of them make themselves. Yeah, you can put on clothes and look, you know what I mean? Look a little better or fix up your makeup or whatever if you look a little better. But when it come to like your shape and anything, I don't know how much you can do about that. However, you know, there's always the option of surgery, but Shaneil Muir addressed that too. Because, you know what I mean, surgery enough for everybody and then everybody want go put body enhancement and them something there. So I mean, I say, so me glad for sister Shaniel I will affirm and I say, yo, she not run no surgery business because, you know what I mean, enough for everybody. Because we don't know, no remember say the first wave a lady them here do surgery, you know. We don't know in a couple of years who are gonna have parts of them a drop off and all of that. We see some of that here and there, but we don't really know the long-term effects because this is like the first wave of everybody a do body. And some of the body them we are do people, it's sad to say that they're not doing by now proper trained medical professionals, so that even make it twice as worse. But anyway, here what Shaneil have to say about the do body thing. Here goes.
But what I am saying is, a lot of you females like to go on the internet and bash other females by their appearance. Let me tell you something. A lot of females may purchase their bodies, but you see when the body there purchased, you never born with it, right? So if that female have a child, right? That child is not going to have the body that that mother had purchased. You understand what I say? The pitney go born with the body where the mother did born with. You understand what I say? Worse than the father not really see a good neither. You understand? So why not gonna tell a little pitney them mother grow up and then go shape like how their mother did born? Why not gonna tell a little pitney them I wanna make people trouble? You wanna make people trouble in that school? Eh? Uno I go make pitney trouble put them in a school so they shape bad when I saw them did ban cause so their mother did ban I buy the mother by the body. What is wrong with Uno? I want to know. Uno no sense. Uno stop from the internet something you're fooling and come out and look at idiot children or idiots. Eh? Look here. I've done a few shows and I can do my body if I want to, sweetie. But you know what? Girl love the body wash in because sometimes I can't even clean a little flat body when me have much less. You know how bottom admin. You know about the to clean.
Yeah, people, so she go up on live twice and she talk about the pregnant thing and then the next time she talk about the pregnant and the body thing. You see me? Now, I see a couple people post it on YouTube and, you know, you can just search Shaneil Muir pregnant and you will see live them pop up. However, there's one live where we put two of them together on Blessed Diva Gaza channel, right? So I'm gonna put that in the comment so you can check out that if you don't want to watch the whole thing. You see what I say? So big up on yourself, people. That brings us to the end of today's video. If it's the first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on watching, sharing, liking, and commenting. Everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.